Hello, and welcome back to Top 10s You Should Know. So, today, let's dive into the top 15 signs of vitamin deficiency you shouldn't ignore. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for and how to give your body the nutrients it's begging for. 1. Chronic fatigue that doesn't go away. If you're constantly exhausted, even after a full night's sleep, it could be more than just a busy lifestyle. Chronic fatigue is one of the clearest signs of deficiencies in vitamin D, B12, or iron. These nutrients are essential for carrying oxygen in your blood and producing energy at the cellular level. Without them, your body is literally running on low battery. Many people mistake this exhaustion for depression, stress, or burnout, but in reality, their cells are starved of what they need to function. 2. Hair loss or thinning hair. It's normal to lose some hair daily, but if your brush or shower drain looks like it's collecting more than usual, it could be linked to deficiencies in biotin, zinc, or vitamin D. These vitamins and minerals are essential for producing keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. Without them, your hair follicles weaken, leading to thinning or premature shedding. Many people immediately turn to expensive shampoos or hair treatments, not realizing the issue might be internal, not external. The good news is, correcting the deficiency often leads to noticeable improvements in just a few months: thicker strands, stronger roots, and less breakage. 3. Brittle nails or white spots on nails. Your nails can reveal surprising insights into your health. If they're constantly breaking, peeling, or developing white spots, it might signal deficiencies in iron, zinc, or B vitamins. Iron deficiency, for instance, makes nails weak and spoon-shaped, while low zinc can lead to those mysterious white marks. Most people treat brittle nails as a cosmetic nuisance, but in truth, they're your body's way of showing structural weakness at a cellular level. Since nails grow slowly, changes in them reflect long-term nutritional imbalances, not just a bad week. Number 4. Frequent mouth ulcers or cracks at the corners of lips. If you're constantly dealing with painful sores inside your mouth or cracks at the corners of your lips, it may not just be from stress or dehydration. These are common signs of deficiencies in B vitamins, especially B2, B3, and B12, as well as iron. These vitamins are crucial for maintaining healthy skin and mucous membranes, and when your body doesn't have enough, the sensitive skin inside your mouth suffers first. The pain might feel small, but it's your body's way of saying something big is missing. 5. Poor night vision or difficulty seeing in dim light. Struggling to see clearly at night or in dimly lit places is often a sign of vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A is critical for producing rhodopsin, a pigment in your eyes that helps you see in low light. Without enough of it, you may find yourself squinting in the dark or struggling with night driving. Left unchecked, severe deficiency can even lead to blindness in extreme cases. Many people overlook this symptom, blaming it on age or eye strain, but often it's their diet that's lacking in vitamin A-rich foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. 6. Tingling or numbness in hands and feet. That pins and needles sensation in your hands and feet might not just be bad circulation. It could be a sign of vitamin B12 deficiency. B12 is essential for nerve health, and without it, the protective sheath around your nerves begins to deteriorate, causing numbness, tingling, or even burning sensations. This symptom can creep in gradually, and many people dismiss it as just sitting the wrong way. But left untreated, the nerve damage can become permanent. Correcting B12 levels often restores sensation and prevents long-term issues. 7. Frequent infections or weak immunity. If you're catching colds more often than your friends or constantly fighting off minor infections, your immune system may be weakened by vitamin C or vitamin D deficiency. These vitamins play a critical role in strengthening white blood cells and defending your body against pathogens. Without them, your immune response is sluggish, leaving you vulnerable. People often think they just have bad luck with illness, but in truth, their body doesn't have the nutritional armor it needs. By restoring these vitamins, you can build resilience, bounce back faster, and feel healthier overall. 8. Muscle cramps or spasms. If your legs cramp at night or your muscles spasm unexpectedly, it may be a sign of deficiencies in magnesium, calcium, or potassium. These minerals are crucial for proper muscle contraction and relaxation. When levels are low, your muscles misfire, leading to cramps that can stop you in your tracks. Many people blame dehydration alone, but the truth is, electrolyte imbalance plays a massive role. Restoring these nutrients can reduce cramps, improve sleep, and give your body the strength it's been missing. Number 9. Slow healing of wounds. If cuts and bruises seem to take forever to heal, it's often a sign of vitamin C or zinc deficiency. Both are critical for collagen production, which is what your body uses to rebuild tissue. Without enough, even small wounds linger, and your skin feels fragile. This isn't just cosmetic. It's your body signaling that its repair system is underpowered. Correcting these deficiencies speeds up healing and strengthens your skin's resilience against future damage. 10. Bone pain or weakness. Persistent bone pain or tenderness can indicate vitamin D deficiency. This vitamin is essential for calcium absorption, and without it, bones become soft, weak, and prone to fractures. Many people dismiss the aches as aging or overexertion, but it's often their bones crying out for vitamin D. Regular sunlight exposure and foods rich in vitamin D can help rebuild strength and prevent long-term damage like osteoporosis. 11. Brain fog or poor concentration. Do you ever feel like your brain is in a haze, unable to focus or remember simple things? This can often be a sign of deficiencies in B vitamins, iron, or omega-3s. These nutrients are critical for neurotransmitter function and oxygen delivery to the brain. Without them, your mind literally slows down, making everyday tasks feel like uphill battles. Correcting deficiencies can feel like lifting a heavy cloud, restoring mental clarity and sharpness. 12. Irritability or mood swings. Your mood is heavily influenced by your nutrition. Deficiencies in vitamin D, B6, or magnesium can all cause irritability, anxiety, or even depression-like symptoms. These nutrients regulate serotonin and dopamine, the chemicals that control your mood and emotions. When levels drop, so does your patience and emotional stability. People often think it's just stress, but sometimes it's their brain chemistry struggling without proper fuel. Restoring these nutrients often leads to calmer moods and greater emotional balance. 13. Dry, scaly skin. Skin that feels constantly dry, rough, or scaly can be a clear sign of vitamin A, vitamin E, or essential fatty acid deficiencies. These nutrients keep skin hydrated, elastic, and protected. Without them, your skin struggles to retain moisture and repair itself. Correcting the deficiency not only improves skin texture, but also strengthens its natural glow and resilience. 14. Restless legs at night. If your legs feel jittery, twitchy, or uncomfortable at night, it could be a sign of iron or magnesium deficiency. These nutrients are vital for muscle relaxation and proper nerve function. Without them, your legs can't settle, disrupting your sleep and leaving you exhausted the next day. Addressing the deficiency often brings relief and restores peaceful sleep. 15. Swollen or bleeding gums. If your gums bleed easily when brushing or feel swollen and tender, it's often a sign of vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps gums strong and resilient. Without enough, your gums weaken and become prone to bleeding, even with gentle brushing. Left unchecked, this can escalate into gum disease. Correcting the deficiency not only heals your gums, but also strengthens your overall oral health. And there you have it, the top 15 signs of vitamin deficiency you shouldn't ignore. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed any of these signs in your own life? Let us know in the comments, because your story might be the wake-up call someone else needs today.